In this video, we're going to import a molecular structure file from the material project into Blender. First, we're going to download the CIF file from the material project. We'll open it with Avogadro 2, and we're going to use Build Supercell to manipulate the structure. But we're going to lose the bond somehow. We're going to use bond and bond add-ins to create the bond. We save it as CML file. We used OpenBabel to convert the CML file into BDB file. Finally, we use Blender to import the BDB file. For the sake of updated version, I'm going to link the correct version that works of these three software, Avogadro 2, OpenBabel, and Blender in the description. Now I'm at Google. I'm going to go ahead and search material project. And this is the material I'm interested in, graphene. Press enter. I'm going to click on the link that I'm interested in of the material. You can go ahead and check the material structure really quick over here and click on export as and download the CIF file. Once I download the CIF file, I'm going to go ahead and open Avogadro 2. And then I can click on File, Open, Discord, open the file, and then I can zoom in or out by scrolling up or down. I recommend doing this because it gave me a few errors when I didn't do this. Click on Crystal, click on View Supercell. You may have to play around with it a little bit, but I know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put in 1010 here. Then I can scroll up, down a little bit, and then right click to pan, up, up, scroll up, and then right click to pan here and there to see the correct structure. I'm going to click on Build, Bond, and Bond Atom. Now this is what I want. I'm going to go ahead and click on File, Save As, and you do not want this JSON. You want to click on CML and save them in graphene. Okay, now we're going to use OpenBabel, and in this, go ahead and for the input format, choose CML. For the output format, choose BDB. For the output file, click on this three dot. Go to where you want to download it and put the name for it. Save. For the input file, you're going to click on this three dot and choose the CML file that you save. Now click on Convert. Just convert it. You can check it by looking at the file right here, graphene.pdp. That's correct. Now I'm going to open Blender. Now in Blender, go ahead and delete this cubic X and delete again. Enable the screencast so you can know what I'm doing. Here you go. Click on File, Import. Before you do this, you may want to check on Edit, Preference, and you're going to choose Add-on and press BDB. You're going to make sure this Import Export Atomic Blender BDB XYZ is checked. And you get to File, Import BDB right here. You're going to choose the file we save, BDB, import it, and now you can see you can use the mouse button, just move it a little bit, and then scroll up and down, and zoom in and out. So now the atom looks a little bit too big. What we're going to do is we look at the graphene file over here. This is a stick, which is the bond, and this is the atom. So we're going to look at the carbon mass, and we can see this carbon ball right here. Click on it to delete the icon right here. And click on it, and we move our mouse over here. We press S, and we're going to move it. You can see when I move out, the atom increase the size, move in it decrease the size. So I'm going to make sure it's as a size that I want to be at, and then left click it, and here you go, I have what I want in Blender. And that's how you import a molecular structure from Material Project into Blender. Thank you for listening.